Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we're exploring a tool that's made routing across the United States not just easier, but lightning fast. It's a Python library called US Routing. Now, when you think of routing, you might picture a GPS on a road trip, or maybe even the complex algorithms behind Google Maps. But US Routing is a bit different. It's all about quick approximations, which is particularly handy when time is of the essence, and it leverages the North American roads dataset to get the job done. First, let's break down how easy it is to get started with US Routing. If you're a developer or just someone curious about programming, you can install it via pip or poetry. Just a simple command in your terminal, and voila, you're good to go. Once it's installed, you can jump right into using it. Imagine you want to find the best route from New York to Los Angeles. With just a few lines of code, you can get the total distance and duration of your journey. I mean, how cool is that? It even specifies the distance in kilometers, which is great for international users. But it's not just about cities. You can input zip codes or even geographical coordinates. This means whether you're planning an epic cross-country road trip or just want to know how far it is from your home to your favorite vacation spot, US Routing has you covered. It's flexible and user-friendly. Now let's talk about the features. One standout aspect is that it offers multiple routing options right out of the box. Do you want the shortest distance, or is the quickest time more crucial for you? The library handles both needs efficiently. Plus, it gives you detailed route information. Think mileage, duration, and even which states you'll be cruising through. But there is more. If you're feeling a little adventurous, you can venture into developing your own custom routers. This flexibility allows you to create tailored routing solutions using shapefiles that contain geometries and attributes, kind of like building your own routing empire. Now, you might be wondering about the data behind all this. The US Routing Library relies on the North American roads dataset. For those who are concerned about keeping your maps up to date, there's functionality built in to download and process this data right from the library, making it easier to ensure your routes are current. So what if you hit a snag during your journey? For example, you try to route between coordinates that are too far from the nearest road? No worries, US Routing returns a friendly error message instead of leaving you in the digital dust. And if you're a developer, contributing to this open source project is encouraged. It's a great way to improve the tool and give back to the community. As we wrap up our exploration into US Routing, it's clear that this library can be a game changer for anyone interested in routing solutions, whether you're coding an application or just looking to get from A to B. It's efficient, versatile, and super easy to use. So before we sign off, think about this. How might faster routing solutions change the way we travel? Would you plan your road trips differently if you knew what the fastest route was at a glance? Thanks for joining me today on Tech Talk. Stay curious and keep exploring the tech that shapes our world.